It's a fresh morning. Finally, my little ones are about to come. You will meet Mama soon. I need to get some food for you. Mama will be back soon. Take care. Oh, Birdie! Did your little ones come out? I will definitely come to visit. Yeah, you're welcome. Huh? My eggs? Oh, my babies are missing. Who took away my babies? Hey, Squirrely, my eggs are missing. Did you see anyone near my nest? Oh, I don't know. I haven't seen anyone. Oh, my babies! I need them back! Hey! What happened here? Why is she crying? Somebody stole her eggs! Huh? Could you please make it clear? My eggs! Aw, I need my babies back! Who's the one to climb the tree? Hey, look! Some scratches are here! I know what to do! I have someone to search for this! Here! My assistant! Marshmallow, are you ready for the mission? Yes, sir! I'm ready! Listen, you go up and check out! Inform me if you find anything, okay? Nothing is here. Not here. Let me go search there. Hey, buddy! Did you find anything? No, officer. I'm searching. Huh? What's that? Oh! It's the thief! And the eggs! Sir, I think I found the thief. He's going to the other side of the park. I'm coming down. Thanks for the help, buddy. I am gonna catch him now. Trap you! Hi-ya! Uh-oh! The eggs! Oh no! My babies! Hey, Birdie! On the side, I will save the eggs! Finally, everything is all right. Aw, my babies are back. Wow! Hey, look, my babies. I am a mama now.
With bees around the hive, the monkey watching it where nobody sees. There he took the sweet little hive from the tree.
trouble! It's a honeybee attack! Please come fast!
Come on, Dolly. Let's start the rescue. Uh-oh. So many bees around him. We need to save him fast. Huh! This is gonna work.
What is this? We can't reach him!
Hey guys, why are you attacking the monkey?
Huh? He stole our honey hive from the tree!
Huh? Is it?
Yeah, but I will make it alright. Please leave me now. I'm so tired. Aww.
Guys, monkey will fix your hive. You please go now.
Okay, we're leaving.
Time. Your wound is covered. Now, go and fix the hive. Listen, honeybees are dangerous. Don't do this again, okay?
I'm so sorry, guys.
I will not do this again. Here, you can go inside.